Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on automatic answering the call in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn on this function, we have to go to settings first. Settings, then we are looking for accessibility options. And here we have interaction and dexterity. And on the top we have answering and ending calls. Here is our option, answer automatically. We tap this button and now we can change a little bit here. For example, we can change how fast the call will be answered. 2 seconds, 5, 10, or we can also set custom time by simply entering our preferred time. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.